Is your Jeep Patriot's alarm randomly going off? You're not alone. This is a common issue. Common causes include faulty door or hatch switches, key fobs, or the TIPM, which is the totally integrated power module. First, identify the cause. Check if all doors and the hatch are fully closed. Look for corrosion or damage on the door or hatch switches. For key fob issues, try replacing the key fob battery or reprogramming it. If the problem persists, the TIPM might be the culprit. A simple reset involves disconnecting the negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches. However, for deeper TIPM issues, consider professional diagnostics. If a simple reset doesn't solve the alarm problem, consider these advanced fixes for faulty components. Door and hatch switches are relatively inexpensive and can be replaced with basic tools. Online tutorials can guide you through the process. For more complex TIPM issues, consider a firmware reflash, which can be done using aftermarket tools like Alpha OBD or Autel scanners, or by a certified mechanic. The Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM, manages power distribution and sensors in your vehicle. In extreme cases, TIPM replacement may be necessary, which can cost $500 to $800. Remember to check for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, from Stellantis that might offer specific guidance for your model year. Consulting a professional is recommended for TIPM-related repairs to avoid further electrical issues.